Can you save energy from your factory data? Here's our 3 top tips. Good morning, my name is Francois Pierrel and I'm the MD of NFM Engineering. In the past couple of weeks, we have been visiting 5 manufacturing plants ranging from automotive, food manufacturing, aerospace, and last Friday, waste recycling plant. A common finding of all of these sites was in the lack of available data regarding energy uses and energy spent on all the equipment on site. Yes, all of the companies we visited had a global energy use for the factory, but none of these factories had a sub-metering information regarding each individual machines. And this is where the problem starts. If you are looking into reducing an energy bill, whether it is gas or electricity, then you must have a clear understanding of which machine has the greatest impact on energy use. This is absolutely essential for creating an energy saving strategy. So without this data, it is pretty much impossible to create a project which will have a decent return on investment. So this is the first tip. Make sure you have an accurate energy metering and sub-metering for all of your machines. Now you are starting to collect useful information. You will need to collect the information into a useful report. Ideally, you really need an automated system that gives you a breakdown every week, month, quarter, per year. This will save you precious time and will help you to make informed decisions about the machine that you need to focus on, the one that will provide you the best return on investment. So that's the second tip. Make sure you have an automated capturing and reporting that allows you to make informed decisions. Now, the third and most important point is to understand and read the trends. After you have collected data and have generated a great report about your energy spend, do you really understand why the trend fluctuates? Why last month your energy bill was higher than previous month? And why in the last 6 months your gas consumption is reading steadily? As well as collecting energy data, you must also collect your process data to understand the root cause of energy fluctuation. Understand the root cause of the fluctuation requires more in-depth analysis. As an example, one of our clients had already gone through the journey of capturing data, both from energy meters and process data. With 10 years of backed up data, they couldn't fully understand the root cause of energy and waste fluctuation. We took a year worth of data and carried out in-depth statistical analysis. And we found out, for example, that 26% of the energy consumed was used during non-production time. We also found that 3 most important variables which were causing the high gas and efficiency fluctuation. So that's the third tip. Make sure you analyze your data and get a specialist to look into your data if you haven't got the skills to do it yourself. For us, this is a daily battle. And we have created a tool which covers data logging, reporting, but the in-depth analysis we are offering is carried out by a data analyst expert, some real engineers that really understand your process, now not robots. In summary, yes, you can save energy and cost through data. 1, meter and sub-meters are absolutely necessary. 2, automate your process with login reporting tool. And finally, get a professional to help to understand what your data means and how it can save you energy, money, and CO2. And if you like what I've talked to you about today, please read more about our services offering and have a great day. And please make sure you do the right thing to save our planet. Thank you.